Look at this bridge. क्या खूबसूरत मंजर है यार. Run, 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 run. Ding, 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 ding. Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and as you already know, we are going to visit Bashu Valley in Iskardu, the valley, the most beautiful valley in Gilgit-Baltistan, which is in northern Pakistan. This Bashu Valley is located at an elevation of 3,600 meters, which is 11,800 feet. With its Bashu glaciers and other ice wonders, it's a stunning traveling spot. Surrounded by tall mountain, it offers awesome views and loads of outdoor fun. A truly beautiful place to visit. So as you can see, we are about to enter into the route of Bashu Valley. You can definitely not go with your own private vehicles. Those private vehicles, as you can see on your right side, that are parked, only 4x4 jeeps, wheeler jeeps can travel. So there are lots of efforts which you need to make before you reach this mini heaven. So our thrilling adventure to Bashu Valley started when we entered through this road, and we witnessed a all traffic because it's a single track, so other vehicles have to stop and sometimes put a reverse gear. As you can see, there is a lineup. Meanwhile, what you can do is like this video and subscribe our channel if you have not already done that, because statistics shows that 98% people does not subscribe. That's not fair, guys. तो आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ चैनल इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और हमारी दूसरी वीडियोस भी देखें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. Guys, believe me, when I was recording this video, I had this in mind that this video cannot do justice to the view what we were having. So our journey just started with a wooden bridge hanging with the ropes over a gushing river below. The sign at the start indicated that only one jeep could cross at a time, and 1.5 ton was the weight, maximum weight, which this bridge can, bear. So this is the river, and it was too fast, and the bridge was literally hanging. So after conquering that bridge, the real twist and turns comes where only one jeep can have the road at a single time. So this ride can take your hour at least. So that's the view. That's the road we were coming from. Look at the view. Believe me, only local jeep drivers who have this daily job can only what can I say? I literally sometimes closed my eyes with that view, and I was like, how this person is even driving this one? But they have this job, they earn this way. That was the road, entrance road, and that is the bridge. So we have to go miles away, turn and turn and turn. This was the beautiful river falling down the bridge, and you can stop here with family and have a cup of tea or even go to toilet, whatever. So we stopped here for 5 minutes only. We started our journey at 10 a.m. We can have a photo session here. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. For the view, at least subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos, so our journey begins again. As you can see, on our left and on our right, there were fields where the local farmers grow rice and tomatoes, which they sell in the city. Really fresh, organic, 100% organic. And by this point of time, we successfully overtook those two vehicles in front of us. One was Prado and other was 4x4 Jeep, and he was literally trailing our driver to make this vehicle an aeroplane. And I was like, I won't say a single word to this man, because of the very fair reason that only they know how to drive on these roads. So here we are in Bashu Valley, finally, a lush green area with streams flowing between the mountains and clouds hovering above. Wow, what a view, like a fairy tale like scenery. Oh,
कल हमने उनको जाना है, परसों आपको स्नो मिलेगी। बहुत स्नो है।
अच्छा चलो उसको देखते हैं।
आज भी प्याले जा सकते हो।
सुभान अल्लाह, माशाल्लाह, क्या खूबसूरत मंजर है यार। I love this sound of water, whether it's river or waterfall. The peace of mind you get is amazing. You can't find this peace anywhere in the world. And I was just wondering, if this is mini heaven, what will be the real heaven? Seriously, look at the view. And in winters, when it's really cold, these mountains are covered with snow, completely white, completely white. नीचे की साइड से एंजॉय करेंगे। हम इस वक्त हैं तो बहुत बुलंदी पे। चले अब हम ब्रिज के उस पार जाते हैं। आह, क्या खूबसूरत मंजर है, देखें जरा। आह, mesmerizing views. Some Spanish people are also there. Spanish, Espanol. Hola, gracias. इस तरह बोलते हैं कुछ। सी, और हम आ चुके हैं पुल के उस पार, वॉक करते करते। जन्नाब, So we are sitting right on the water. That place you are looking at, right in the center. Hello, what's your name? Ma, ma. अरे कहाँ भागी? भागी 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 भागी, run 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 run. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, hey Bakri, hey Bakri, hey Bakri. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा बकरी? मैं. Yeah. Oh. So it's me right there from the other side of waters. So they are literally free to go anywhere. You only go home when evening comes. So let's have a 360-degree view before we leave. After spending almost 5 hours here, away from the worries, traffic noise, office, work, groceries and everything. Change my clothes finally, and there you can see cricket match is going on between two sides. I don't know which sides, but yes, definitely it's a big valley, so they have cricketing field as well where you can definitely go and play. So you know the route to Fairy Meadows is quite dangerous, no? It's on more height because you have a clear view of Nanga Parbat. If you want to go Nanga Parbat base camp, then Fairy Meadows is the only way to get there. So if you want to go to Fairy Meadows but you are not sure about the route, so you can have a net practice on Bashu Valley Road. You can have a fair idea what the views would like, how the jeep could travel and react. Obviously that fear is something else on the route of Fairy Meadows, but yes, you get a fair amount of idea that how your ride would shape out. So I personally requested my driver to drive through these waters so that I can make this video. If you like, subscribe now, please like this video and subscribe. So it's time to go back, and we just have our final eyes on these lovely mountains which we see usually from the road or highway. So the locals have the few fields up there on the mountains where they grow tomatoes and other vegetables. One of the guy was telling me that they used to, and they are used to daily go and sell vegetables in the market down from the mountains and this valley. Tough life with the beautiful views. Yes. So finally we have covered again the 1 hour route, and again through this bridge, the hanging bridge, we are heading to our hotel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. See you next time. When are you visiting this Bashu Valley? Please leave a comment, and if you have any comments and feedbacks on this video, we would like to hear about it. See you next video. Bye bye.